Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. So today, पहिले सगळ्यांक हांव येवकार दिता म्हज्या कोंकणी भाशेन. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानतात की तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं आनी बिजी आसतलीं. नातालाचे नेवऱ्यो आनी आमचे कलकल आनी भात आनी हें सगळें करपाक. तर आयज हांव दाखयता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर कलकल. So today I am going to show you all Goan sweet dish which we make it in every Goan homes, and I think so many part of India, this Kulkul, Kormola, whatever you can say, and it is very easy and quick bite it is. So what we need is, so I'm going to show you two types. One is with sugar, one is without sugar. So first I will show you what we need with sugars. Only sugar is the need in this. So we need 2 eggs. Then this is 1 cup of normal maida. I'll be adding some 3 tablespoon of sugar for this, or I will make it less also. Accordingly, I'll put some vanilla essence because we are using egg, and some coconut juice, thick coconut juice. This is of 2 coconuts, that is thick one, and I'll be using semolina accordingly. So this is 1 cup, so I will be using half cup of semolina. And then we need some forks or something to give a shape. So let's start. तर हांवें घेतला आमचे हे मैदाचो पीठ. हांव यो कुटुरो म्हणून येता हे, दिस इज अ मेजरमेंट, बट तुमी 1 कप घेता जाल्यार ते कप तुमी मेजरमेंट दवरात. मागीर साखर जाय आमकां, विथ साखर, आनी विदावट साखर जाल्यार साखर घाल नाका. आनी 2 तांतयां घेता हांव ह्या एका कपाक, आनी हांव रवो घालतली हेजे वत्ते कप मेजरमेंट. कोकोनट ज्यूस जितले आमकां मोवंक जाय तितले आमकां कोकोनट ज्यूस जाय, आनी घी जायी. ओके, घी पूण जाय. वनिला एसेन्स. सो आमी तांतयां घेवया. साखर घालुया. सो हांव 3 कुलेरां साखर घालता, व्हडली कुलेरां. सो मैदेय तुमकां मेजून दाखयता. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 कुलेरां ही सायजीची. तर तुमची जी आसा ती तुमी मागीर 13 घ्या. दिस इज लायक टीस्पून ऑफ दॅट सेट यू गेट. सो दिस इज लायक टीस्पून ऑफ दॅट सेट. मागीर आमी वनिला एसेन्स घालुया. फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वनिला एसेन्स. आनी आमची घी, कित्याक आमकां ते खुसखुशीत जाय तेका लागून आमी घी पयलींच घालूंक जाय. सो 2 कुलेरां ही घी. फुसफुसीत खुसखुशीत नको ते हे आसता न्हू तें. सो नाव लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दिस. And we'll add our coconut juice too, and rava. Now I will add my rava first. So 8 teaspoon of semolina, fine semolina, that is rava. And we'll have to add coconut juice accordingly. So we'll add some flour again more. Okay, So it's 2 cups of flour. So without egg is only that you don't add egg. Now how much you need, you add this coconut juice accordingly. If you don't have coconut juice, then you can use normal milk. So here this is ready. Now I will add little bit of more of ghee now, and then it's done. I will leave it for resting for few minutes, and then I will make some kulkul out of it. Salt you can add accordingly. If you want to add, you can add. Like some people have got sugar problem, then don't add sugar. Then some don't like eggs, then don't add eggs. And salt, then don't add salt. Still you can make this kulkul and enjoy your Natala, your Christmas. So I have knead this nicely, soft it is, and I will keep this for resting, and then I will show you what we make out of it. So here we are doing all, how many hands you can see? Dad, mom, dad. So here we are. Epe आता आम्ही सगळे गोल कोत्ता माय पाय दू आणि गो थिंगासो रेकॉर्डिंग कोत्ता आणि तर ही जावन आसा जे नेवऱ्यांचो व्हिडिओ ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड आसा सो तुम्ही ते पळयात. हाय से हाय नानू. हाय पापा. Hi, man.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. It's a joy actually to do this together. That's what, like when we were all sibling together. Our mom used to do in kilos and kilos. So now we are doing very few because she's got sugar, and so that's why it is less sugar. We have added. So this is like this, a small ball, and then you have to press on the fork, and then roll it, roll it, roll it, and you will get a design. So whichever way you can take, either this way or that side or this side, and then do that way. So now roll it and you get a design. So these are Kulkuls. See, the grandchild and grandma is doing this together. So we need some oil. So I've kept some oil for, it's deep frying, and it's not in oven or something, it's deep frying, and I've kept this oil to get it hot. So हे तेल दवरलें गरम जावपाक, आनी आतां आमी हितून आमची कलकल भाजूया. So this is the first batch. So now I will fry this, and then just fry this. So let's check. The oil is hot. It has to be hot oil. And fry it till golden brown. don't overcrowd the frying pan. You can add little more, but I just want to show that lesser you put, then it's nicely it will get fried. So mom is showing kormola to make kormola, the shape. And twist and turn. Oh, okay. See this. Okay. Kormola.
Like this.
So she's making some few kormolas also. So now here it is done. So if you want more brownish, then you can wait, but this is done. And this color is, you can check here. Some use combs also to do the design, fine one. The more tiny, you can make more tiny also. So these are like small bites we have made. Every year I make a small batch. Even Neureos I make only 10. So it's done now and it's ready. So hope you all will enjoy this. Kulkuls, do let me know how it was, and thank you so much for watching this. देव बरें करूं तुमकां आनी सगल्यांक तुमकां नातालाची परबा आनी Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from us, Wells Quick Tips and Tricks. To all our viewers, we love you for all your support throughout this year. Thank you so much.